Melbourne's property market is shifting gears as we head into August. Joining me now is Emily Rayner, property editor from view.com.au. Emily, auction volumes, they're easing.
They are. We're seeing the numbers down slightly this week. We've got 1,642 homes scheduled for auction across the combined capitals, which is a 4% drop from last week. Melbourne's leading the way with 746 auctions, which is down from 786 last week and well below the 834 we saw this week last year. So it's a quieter week overall, but there are bigger economic shifts happening in the background.
Yeah, there's been a lot of talk about inflation cooling. What could that mean for the market?
It's a very big moment. Inflation is now back inside the Reserve Bank's target range for the first time in years. The annual rate has dropped to 2.1% and the RBA's preferred measure, the trimmed mean, is down to 2.7%. That's already changed the tone. The focus has shifted from rate hikes to when cuts will happen. And Melbourne's property market is really poised to benefit. Flint mortgage brokers have reported it's one of the most rate-sensitive cities in the country, and they are already seeing higher buyer inquiry and a lift in investor activity. Plus, new data from Cotality shows Melbourne homes are selling for nearly 60% less than Sydney's, which is a much wider gap than normal. That kind of value just doesn't go unnoticed.
Okay, and speaking of standout properties, tell us about the house of the week.
It is a real beauty. We're in South Yarra at 38 Rockley Road. It's a Federation-era home built in 1911 and it's now listed under expression of interest. It's called Mandalay. It's been completely transformed by architect Dale Fisher, and the agent Tom Hain from Marshall White describes it as a brand new home in a heritage shell, and it's pretty hard to disagree. It boasts 5 to 6 bedrooms, 4 living zones, and even a separate retreat that's ideal for teenagers or guests. And you can also find all the beautiful heritage arts and crafts charm. You've got LED light windows, marble fireplaces, even a gorgeous hexagonal reception hall, very hard to say, paired with ultra-modern features. You've got a conservatory and even a Japanese teppanyaki grill. And of course, no luxury property would be complete without a sparkling heated in-ground pool and spa. It's the perfect mix of old and new.
Yeah, it's pretty stunning. Thank you so much, Emily.
Thank you.